You're watching three-time Emmy-nominated Justice for America for Outstanding Legal Programming. We're back with the case of Kayla James suing her sister Sierra James and the amount of $7,500 for unpaid parking tickets that she refused to pay for. Let's get into the courtroom to see if the judge is going to rule in this case or not. Let's get back into the courtroom. All right. So you saying that you refused because under the stipulations that it was going to be something, you told her, hey, it's not my fault that it happened, right? Uh-huh. So if it's not your fault that happened, but aren't you the one driving her car though, Miss James? Sierra James? Okay, so if you're driving someone's car, that means you're legally using their insurance. You're using their registration if you get pulled over by the cops. Because you don't have a car, you don't have a driver's license, you can't drive. So it's your legal responsibility to pay for the parking tickets. And you didn't even tell her that you got pulled over by the police. Let me ask you a question, Miss James. Do you have a driver's license of the city of Detroit? Okay. Officer Willis, would you mind asking Miss Sierra James for her driver's license, please? Make sure her name doesn't match. Okay. While she's getting her driver's license, Miss Sierra James, do you have any text messages or evidence? All right, go ahead and while she's getting her driver's license, Officer Willis, would you mind retrieving the text messages, please? Thank you. Thank you, Officer Willis. All right. All right. Okay, so let's read first text message. Okay, so her name do match. Okay. Before I read these text messages, Miss Sierra James, do you have any kind of evidence to solidify like an agreement that you was going to pay the parking tickets? So you don't have an agreement. So how is she going to know what happened? Uh-huh.
Judge Jordan's verdict is when Justice for America returns.
So you do know that you were aware that these parking tickets was going to pile up just like a stack of pancakes, right? Oh, so you didn't? Okay. Okay. So let me tell you something. You're going to have to eat these words of this verdict when I read it, okay?
When Judge Jordan ruled, find out when Justice for America returns.